And when it's safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on your dipped headlights and then turn them off? This stalk over here, check that middle mirror, wait for it to cross. This stalk here, and then to turn it off. And the horn is this button here. Safe to do so, open and close your window. So look at the buttons, look ahead, and then close it. Okay. When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you demist the rear window? Quick look, it's this one here. You press it. Now it's for the rear window and turning it off. How do you demist the front window? This one here. How would you wash the front window using the windscreen washer? Right stick here, pull and hold. For the rear window wiper, same stalk, twist clockwise twice. Identify the reservoir, check the level against the high and low markings. This is where you show the examiner how to take the dipstick card, dip it back in, dip it back out, and check between the minimum and maximum markers. Sometimes it may ask you about the windscreen reservoir, but the main one is the engine coolant. Check between the minimum and maximum markers just there. Thank you.